A very good morning to one and all. This is Praveen sir, and today basically I'm recording a video for you all pertaining to what's next in Mahesh tutorials. Many of you might be having questions like, sir, पोर्शन कभी खत्म होने वाला है? आपने कमिट किया था आप सेमी प्रीलिम्स लेने वाले हो, वो कभी लेने वाले हो? फुल पोर्शन प्रीलिम्स कभी लेने वाले हो? तो इन सारे सवालों के जवाब आपको आज के इस वीडियो में मिल जाएगा. So I want all the parents to watch the complete video from start to end. Let me share my screen first. So on behalf of Mahesh Tutorials, first of all, I would like to welcome you all. As I told you, the basic agenda of recording this meeting is so that parents can come to know what exactly is next in Mahesh Tutorials. Obviously, at the time of this pandemic, we all know, and even you know, that we have given you a tagline, Raho Befikar. When I say Raho Befikar, it means we have not let the studies of the child to be hampered, be it with the help of RoboMate or be it the live sessions through the Zoom. We have taken care that the child is at complete rest and he is giving his best when it comes to academics. So basically now there are many questions regarding to portion, regarding to semi-prelims and prelims. So let's see how exactly the things will unfold in this next few months. Parents, portion completion planning for State Board 10th Standard 2020-21. Kindly note that every year the board exams are conducted in the March, but due to pandemic, it is highly anticipated that board exams will be delayed by 45 to 60 days. Okay, ऐसा माना जा रहा है कि बोर्ड एग्जाम्स 45 to 60 days से डिले होने वाला है. प्लस अगर आपको याद हो तो इन द मंथ ऑफ अगस्त 30% रिडक्शन ऑफ सिलेबस आया था, बराबर. 30% रिडक्शन ये एंटिसिपेशन से आया था कि स्कूल्स अक्टूबर में चालू हो जाएंगी. बट वी ऑल नो इन द नियर फ्यूचर द स्कूल्स हैव नॉट बीन गिवन परमिशन टू ओपन अप एंड हेंस देयर इज अ स्पेकुलेशन. ऐसी बातें चल रही है मार्केट में कि देयर माइट बी फर्दर 20% रिडक्शन इन सिलेबस. इनफैक्ट आईसीएसई बोर्ड ने ऑलरेडी 20% रिडक्शन डिक्लेयर कर दिया है. CBSE might declare 20% reduction in next few days. So if ICSE and CBSE is reducing the syllabus, even State Board might reduce further 20% syllabus. So number one, the board exam is delayed by 45 to 60 days. Number two, there might be further reduction in syllabus. So for all the further updates regarding reduction of syllabus, regarding the board examination dates, everything will be updated to you once we get the clarity from the board authorities. So parents, you need not panic right now. जब भी हम लोग को क्लैरिटी मिल जाएगा हम आप तक पहुंच जाएंगे, आपको इंटीमेट कर देंगे. सबसे पहले अगर बात करूं तो पोर्शन कंप्लीशन की. एट महेश ट्यूटोरियल्स वी आर कंप्लीटिंग अवर सिलेबस बाय 30th November 2020. By 30th November 2020 we'll be completing 100% of students SSC syllabus. जो कुछ भी रोमेट में कवर किया था इनिशियल फेज में वो भी हम लोग पढ़ा के 30th November तक खत्म करने वाले हैं. And once the syllabus is completed by 30th of November, now what's next is the child's preparation for the board examination. And उसके preparation के लिए what we have arranged for is called as semi prelims. Now parents, I want you to understand what exactly is semi prelims. Semi prelims, prelim तुमको पता होता है, prelim is full portion like a board examination. Then what is semi prelims? Semi is half prelims. That means अगर prelim में full book होता है तो semi prelims में हम लोग उसका half book करते हैं. तो वैसे हम लोग दो semi prelims लेते हैं, semi prelim 1 and semi prelim 2. The semi prelim 1 includes the 50% syllabus and semi prelim 2 includes the balance 50% syllabus. तो अपने semi prelim 1 में हम लोग क्या include करने वाले हैं? अपने semi prelim 1 में we are going to include the first 50% syllabus. When I say the first 50% syllabus, it means महेश ट्यूटोरियल्स का यूनिट टेस्ट 1 एंड यूनिट टेस्ट 2 पोर्शन. ठीक है, तो एक बार यूनिट टेस्ट 1 एंड यूनिट टेस्ट 2 पढ़ के हो गया, इसके बाद जो बाकी का बुक बच जाता है वो हम लोग सेमी प्रीलिम 2 में लेंगे. तो सेमी प्रीलिम 1 एंड सेमी प्रीलिम 2 इस तरह से 50% पढ़ा बच्चे ने सेमी प्रीलिम 1 में, 50% पढ़ा सेमी प्रीलिम 2 में. इस तरह से बच्चा 100% सिलेबस पढ़ के खत्म कर रहा है. Am I clear? सो बेसिकली ये सेमी प्रीलिम्स कभी होने वाला है? सबसे पहले अगर बात करते हैं सेमी प्रीलिम 1 की, द सेमी प्रीलिम 1 विल बी कंडक्टेड बिटवीन 26 अक्टूबर टू 28 नवंबर. जनरली लास्ट ईयर तक हम लोग एक यूनिफॉर्म डेट देते थे फॉर दिस एग्जाम, but this year we can't give a uniform date because every school is having a different date of conducting their exams. Some schools are conducting their semesters in the month of October, as early as 11th October. Some schools are conducting exams at October end. Some schools are conducting their semesters in November first week. So there is no fixed parameter of conducting the semesters. Every school is conducting semesters as per their own dates. So hence, what we have done this year is we have kept a date that is 26th October to 28th of November. इसके बीच सेमी प्रीलिम 1 होगा एंड इसका डेट्स आपको आपके रिस्पेक्टिव सेंटर इंचार्जेस दे देंगे. So I repeat, semi prelim 1 will be conducted between 26th October to 28th November. Exam will be conducted school wise. The respective center in charges will be informing you about the schedule. Now once semi prelim 1 gets over by 28th of November, obviously the children might be having doubt in what they have studied in semi prelim 1 portion. So what we are doing is from 29th of November to 11th of December, we are arranging for doubt solving of the chapters which have been covered in semi prelim 1. So schedule for this doubt solving will be informed by the respective center in charges. Now once exam is written, once doubts are cleared, obviously the first 50% का सारा काम हो गया, तामझाम हो गया. Now what is remaining is the balance 50%. तो सबसे पहले बच्चा balance 50% पे टेस्ट देगा between 12th of December to 24th of December. एक बार उसने 12 दिसंबर से 24 दिसंबर के बीच में टेस्ट दे दिया, ऑब्वियसली इसमें भी उसको डाउट्स आएंगे, तो इसका डाउट्स क्लियर होगा from 25th of December to 2nd of January. So if you're seeing properly over here on this slide, after every exam there is a doubt solving session, so that whatever doubts they have, it is cleared and there is nothing remaining in their mind as a block कि मुझे आता नहीं है. Now parents, once semi prelim 1 and semi prelim 2 is over, this will give us a clarity कि हाश at least बच्चे का एक बार पूरा बुक पढ़ के हो गया. तो once we get a clarity कि at least एक बार बच्चे का पूरा बुक पढ़ के हो गया, now the child and we are mentally prepared कि child can face the full portion test properly, and hence we will take the prelim 1. Again, last year we should give a fixed date for prelim 1, but this year we can't give a fixed date for prelim 1. But yes, we will be conducting this prelim 1 in the month of January, and the timetable will be dynamic. It will be school wise because every school will be having a different date of conducting the prelims. So if every school is having a different date of conducting prelims, so even we need to give a dynamic schedule, school wise schedule, so that everybody's dates can be accommodated. So prelim 1 will be in the month of January, and this exam will be conducted school wise. Respective center in charges will be informing you about the schedule. Similarly, the prelim 2 will be conducted in the month of February. Again, it will be school wise. The respective center in charges will be informing you about the schedule. As told to you earlier, semi prelim 1 and semi prelim 2 includes 50% syllabus. वो 50% में कौन सा syllabus है वो आपको circular WhatsApp पे मिल जाएगा. The respective center in charges will be giving it to you. Am I clear? Even the timetable will be given to you by the respective center in charges. Is that clear? But prelim 1 and prelim 2 includes the entire syllabus. Okay. Obviously, prelim 1 and prelim 2 के बाद doubts आएंगे, वो doubts को clear करना पड़ेगा. So regular doubt solving sessions will be conducted as per the needs of the student. Am I clear? There might be a group of students who might say, sir, we are having doubt in quadratic equations of algebra. There might be a group of students saying, sir, हमको algebra में कोई doubt नहीं है, लेकिन हम लोग को सिमिलैरिटी ऑफ ज्योमेट्री में डाउट है. देयर माइट बी अ ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु माइट से, सर हमको मैथ्स तो पूरा आता है, हमको मराठी में डाउट्स है. तो जो भी बच्चे का डाउट रहेगा उसके हिसाब से उसका डाउट क्लियर किया जाएगा. सो इन द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी फरवरी वी विल बी कंडक्टिंग नीड बेस्ड डाउट सॉल्विंग सेशंस. जनरली इन द मंथ ऑफ फरवरी वी कंडक्ट साइंस प्रैक्टिकल just before the board examination, but just because this year there is no clarity about the board exam being conducted, as in when it will be conducted, So obviously there is no clarity as in when will the science practical be conducted. Generally by this time, that is by the month of September, October, schools start filling the SSC forms. बोर्ड एग्जाम बैठने के पहले फॉर्म फिल करना होता है, वो फिल हो जाता है. अब तक क्लैरिटी नहीं है कि कब फिल होने वाला है. Am I clear? तो जब भी बोर्ड एग्जाम अपना साइंस प्रैक्टिकल डेट्स डिक्लेयर करेगा, उसके 10-15 दिन पहले हम लोग एमटी में साइंस प्रैक्टिकल कंडक्ट करेंगे. Am I clear? Few important notes for the parents. The activities to be conducted in the month of March and April. Generally in the month of March, the students have board examination. So the child is not coming to MT. The child sits at home and studies. And usko help karne ke liye, we have a 24-hour helpline number that's called as Humse Pucho. But this year, as there is no clarity as when the board exam will be conducted, so what we are doing is, the March and April activities for time being, we are keeping on hold. We'll be informing you as and when we get the clarity from the board authorities. Clear? If the exam will be in the month of April or May, obviously in the month of March, we might conduct one more set of practice exam, doubt solving, so that the child gets maximum benefit of the same. Apart of this, as I told you earlier, regular doubt solving sessions will be conducted as per the students' needs. Parents, after the prelim 1, that is the first full portion test, we will be conducting an open house so that what all are the areas of improvement can be discussed with the teachers. Paper presentation, time management, diet counseling, parenting sessions will be conducted post October, so that this motivation sessions can help the students give their best in the board examination. Also, this motivation sessions are for the parents, so that even we as parents are motivated that there should not be negative thoughts going on in our mind. So parents, post October, there are many counseling sessions which will take place, like paper presentation, time management, diet counseling, and parenting session. So don't think that we are going to leave the students abruptly. No, we are going to be there for the students till the end, so that the child is comfortable and he is able to cope up with the board exam properly. So I hope whatever has been told in this video is very clear. For any more clarity, you can contact your respective center in charges. They are always there for your support. So as the tagline of MT says, Raho Befikar, I would like to say all the best for the post portion completion activities. And for further updates, we will get back to you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.